Hey there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to download and install CapCut on iPhone and Android, then this video is for you. The step is pretty similar, you just need to use App Store on your iOS device, and in Android device you just need to use Play Store to download and install CapCut on your devices. So if you are iOS user, then go to your App Store and search for CapCut, and here you can find the CapCut application. If you can find CapCut application on your App Store, so that means if maybe the CapCut is not available on your region yet, you can just simply change your region and you can just download this CapCut on your device. So you can simply tap on this download button and it will start downloading the application and the additional data related or associated with this application. Then it will start installation process automatically on your iOS device. And in Android device you just need to go to the Play Store and search for CapCut. You will get the CapCut application. Then you just need to download the CapCut. Tap on this install button, you will get in the Play Store. Then it will start downloading the data and the application, and it will start installing automatically. Now you can find that I have just installed CapCut on my iPhone. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.